morning guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back if you're new here, and if you're coming back, thank you so much, darling. These kids. My name is Malifat Lamina. If you're new here and if you're coming back, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is another day, another vlog, and I am just about to run errands and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Please do not forget to like or comment and subscribe and leave a heart, leave a like. That would absolutely mean so much to me. I'm about to go install my hair. I'm just gonna go install at a salon in Campton Park in Festival Mall. I actually forgot what the name of the salon is, but you guys will get to see it when I get there. So let us start going. Let me actually request so that we can get going. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to Festival Mall.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady playing like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they change if my dad be no wrong. But it did rush, whatever, it be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. Time on you it rush. Yeah, it did rush, whatever, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close.
Hey my honeys, I hope that you guys are still doing really well. I am in Pretoria and I'm about to get ready, so I'm gonna take you guys along. My sisters and I are going out. I'm essentially this girl ate and left in no crumbs. Period.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady playing like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they change if my dad be no wrong. But it did rush, whatever, it be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. Time on you it rush. Yeah, it did rush, whatever, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. No darling, for me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one I did. I never take my cake away. I did. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane. You know get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could you not my fantasy?
Guys, and welcome back to another day. Today is a Saturday and we are off to Umemulo, and yeah, the theme is modern tradition, and I'm gonna be looking like a Swati queen today. I am wearing King of Swaziland's cloth or whatever. I don't know what these things are called, and I look so stunning, you guys. I am gonna try. I actually don't even know how to tie this thing, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna be wearing. Oh my gosh, I can't seem to find a proper way to actually put this, but yeah, I am gonna be wearing cloth and then this beads. You know what, you guys will see the pictures, hey? So let me take you guys along to Umemulo. I hope that you guys are gonna enjoy it with me. I look pretty and stuff, and I'm not even done with my makeup yet. I already did my eyebrows and lashes. I still have to put on foundation and but otherwise I feel nothing emotion and everything is just coming together. I don't know how to tie this, so I'm just gonna go there and then someone will tie it for me. Okay guys, I'll see you guys when I get there.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady playing like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they change if my dad be no wrong. But it did rush,
Come
now go they make my car be the rush. Time on you it rush. Yeah, it did rush.
I'm a little closer to oh, they're adding more money. Looks like they're adding more money. Yeah.
Like broccoli, steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Good enough, my fantasy. They want to check if my daddy.